Close your eyes and allow the weight of your physical form to be fully claimed by the surface beneath you. For this journey, we are not looking for abundance out there, in the world of numbers and shadows. We are looking at the container in here. We are looking at the living, breathing vessel of your body. Slowly, begin to scan your physical landscape. I want you to notice the subtle, hidden places where the concept of having enough feels like an actual threat. For many of us, scarcity is not a thought, it is a physical bracing. Do you feel a slight clenching in the back of your throat when you think of your future? Does your solar plexus pull inward, tight and protective, as if guarding against a blow when you imagine a sudden, massive windfall of resources? That tightness is what we call the Scarcity Seal. It is an ancient, inherited reflex, a survival mechanism that once kept your ancestors small, so they would remain hidden and safe from those who would take from them. It was a gift of protection once, but today it is a cage. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly. Breathe into the space between your palms. Speak directly to your cells, whispering, "It is safe to be full." It is safe to be seen. It is safe to be stable. Let that permission drip like honey into your muscles. Now, visualize the very air around you transforming. It is becoming thick, radiant, and infused with a molten golden light. As you inhale, this gold doesn't just fill your lungs. It moves through your bloodstream, seeking out the tightest, coldest corners of your nervous system. It isn't pushing or forcing its way in. It is simply melting the scarcity seal through the power of warmth. Exhale a long, slow sigh through your mouth, making a sound if you need to. Imagine the tension of chasing, striving, and hunting, leaving your muscle fibers. Your nervous system has been running a frantic, multi-generational marathon, trying to reach a finish line that the world kept moving. Your body is exhausted from the pursuit of more. I want you to stop running right now. The finish line is not a destination. It is the ground beneath your feet. Feel your shoulders drop an inch lower. Feel your jaw unhinge, releasing the bite on your life. Every single cell that was once braced for not enough is now being invited into a state of total, luxurious softening. You are retraining your nerves to understand a new truth. In this era of your life, more does not mean danger. More simply means capacity. Visualize your body now as a sacred architecture. A beautiful, heavy, golden chalice, handcrafted to hold the weight of a kingdom. In the past, when abundance arrived, you may have felt a high that felt indistinguishable from anxiety. Your heart rate would spike. Your breath would become shallow. And you would subconsciously look for ways to spend it, lose it, or push it away, just to return to the familiar safety of having nothing. That was your nervous system rejecting the weight because it didn't know how to carry it. We are rewriting that architecture now. Visualize a steady, thick stream of golden light pouring from the infinite space above you, entering the crown of your head. It does not stay in your head where the worries live. It flows all the way down to the soles of your feet. It is heavy. It is grounding. It feels like the comforting weight of a heavy blanket, or the warmth of the sun on a still afternoon. Notice if your breath hitches as this fullness rises through your ankles and calves. If you feel the urge to do something, stay still instead. Soften into the fullness. As the gold fills your hips, your torso, and your arms, feel the literal weight of it. This is stable wealth. It doesn't have wings. It doesn't fly away. It is as heavy and certain as a mountain. You are becoming a body that can hold a fortune without trembling. A body that views prosperity as its natural resting state. As the gold settles into your bones, making them feel dense and precious, speak these words into the silence of your own mind. Feel the vibration of each word in your throat, anchoring them into your physical reality. I am a safe and steady container for immense, overflowing wealth. My nervous system is now wired for luxury, ease, and sustained peace. I no longer equate struggle with survival. I equate stillness with power. I am allowed to be completely calm while I am profoundly prosperous. Before you open your eyes and return to the room, feel the golden anchor glowing at the base of your spine. This is your new baseline. No matter what the external world says today, your body now remembers the frequency of fullness. You have successfully recalibrated your capacity to hold. You have told your nerves that the war is over and the harvest has begun. You are ready to be a masterpiece of prosperity, moving through the world with the quiet confidence of one who already has everything they need. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the physical reality of your new golden strength. Open your eyes, and you are finally safe enough to hold it all.